Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call back Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kind out share video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me notification bell no. Say the video be better on Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And we just say be orange lollipop. You na me tasty no. Na ye de pan. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, that's it. Orange. Ube chimun so ni nyina. Wo chimun so ni ya no asone so. Wo de agu pan esija asum. Wo wi na wo de 1/3 cup sugar aka ho. One tablespoon glucose syrup. Na we just so ama na huru. Ese wonum sa akosita mebeteke. Aha no akakra na aye ready. To be koso de enum nye se wugya no na egya no so walo no na ato ne bo. Wo ho anade kakra de egu working surface no ahwe se eye den kakra etimi sa ye ready. Se wo hwe na enye we wuntimi mfa wo board ne so a enye ready ye. Aha no aye ready no watwe. No wakohwe egu umodum anase wuni moda wo de begu working surface ne so. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. So, uni mode we bia, say na ede obeye wo de no. Wo de begu working surface ni so. Uwi ana wo de steak na eden ato so. Wo de steak na toto so wi a, na wa manadwo ansa na we yi ni nyina. It is a share a procedure way a one gasabetimi aye wo lollipop eden e wo fie. Eju anu wa yiyi na wa serve anase wa store. Me ye na me tasty ye no. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. But first one here dey my use mode no. And second one here dey me use mode no. Enti dey wo no e na ye dey wo be use. Now this is our orange lollipop. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.